Hello guys, welcome back in my channel, and today my quick snack for the lunch will be exactly this bagel with some cream cheese, and I like to put some smoked salmon on the top and maybe some tomato. Not maybe, I will sure use the tomato. Okay, let me start with preparing everything, and the bagel will be toasted, of course. If you don't like, don't have to be. It really depends on what you like it. Let me do it right now. I will start with washing the cherry tomato. My next step is make the bagel, cutting him to two halves, because otherwise I cannot make it toasted. And after that I will put him on the toaster. I will slice a couple pieces of salmon. This will be enough for me for now, and I will continue with preparing my bagel. Okay, my bagel is right here, and I will add some whipped cream. It really depends how much you like it. I'll be honest, I like really not a lot, but just exactly. Mostly I put always on the both sides. And that's it. When you have this done, you are almost ready to go. Just you have to do few things. You have to grab some salmon and put it on the top, and I love really salmon. It's really good, and it's good for you because I have a lot of omega-3, and this one is wild caught. It is not farm raised. This is not really farm raised, and I always like it this way. I never buy the farm raised. I really prefer this one. Okay, after it's like that, you can close it and you can cut your sandwich to half and put on your plate. What I will do is right now, one here, other one here. I can remove this. This is how it's looking, and I will put some tomato on the plate, and that's it. It's really ready to eat. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope so I will see you soon with some other tasteful food, guys.